This is a Husqvarna 125BV. I got it, it didn't work, but repair it. Look at the other video we posted on that. But in addition to what it had a small problem where the line is just about ripped off. So I'm going to change that, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first off, we need to open the recoil. It's a 4 screws. So you can see here, it's not so complex. Just need to get a new line and route it. It's about 5 feet. So we get some line, open it, and fix it. Okay, T30, open the center screw. Now take out the pull pulley, the return spring of the pull pulley, and now just pay attention to this. It goes around and has a nut here, and the return spring, which could be jumping. Now the return spring will have to be loaded later, so we're going to fix it after we fix the line. Now I'm going to take the new one. Here we go. We need about 3.5 feet of that. We can actually just take the same amount of the old one. And I'm going to take some more just in case. Now we're going to make a nut. And run it through the hole. Okay, make it tight. That's the way it should look. Now we're going to take the old cord out. So first need to insert that spring right into its location. It can be loose. Now after winding the new starting cord on it in the right direction, just make sure you align that slot with that end of the return spring, and you then load the spring. So I'm going to release maybe 3 turns. Yep, that looks good. That doesn't look good from the beginning. Now we put the return spring into its exact hole. And the top into its hole. And the center screw. Okay, now you can test it freely, and we're going to put just about that much into the handle. Now we make a nut. Cut the extra, and looks good. Now we put it back on the machine and see if it starts. So we're back at the blower. Should go right about here with the 4 screws. Let's try it out.